Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, That Pretty Aurora. So I am traveling, and where I'm traveling, you'll get to see in the vlog. Till then, enjoy the whole vlog because I am vlogging this after almost 2 years, and I am really excited for you guys to witness the beauty of where I have gone and what did I do over there. Everything I have vlogged for you guys. I know I wasn't active on YouTube with my vlogs for more than 2 years, but now, guys, you are going to enjoy the vlogs, and something exciting is coming up really soon. All my travel vlogs I have edited, and now I'll be uploading one by one. So, I hope you'll love my vlogs and you'll subscribe to my channel. To all those 6,000 plus subscribers, I love you all, and I hope in the coming months we achieve a greater milestone of 10k subscribers. So stay tuned, guys. Hi guys, so I just landed in Bangkok and this is the airport. Guys, we took a direct flight from Pune to Bangkok. So we reached in 4 hours 30 minutes directly, and it was a really nice travel experience because 4.5 घंटे में हम पुणे से डायरेक्ट बैंकॉक भी पहुंच गए. बैंकॉक की लैंग्वेज में आप वेलकम कैसे करते हो? इट्स स्वादिका बैंकॉक. So guys, we booked a taxi from the airport and we went directly to our hotel. मैंने व्लॉग नहीं किया है हम कौन से होटल में रुके थे, बट आई हैव व्लॉग्ड अबाउट द नेक्स्ट डे. सो येस, इट्स सच अ ब्यूटिफुल क्लीन सिटी गाइज. Hi guys, it's a new day in Bangkok and today we are going to explore the city. So अभी हम just निकल चुके हैं कैब में and now we are heading towards Louis Vuitton store in Bangkok which is really famous. and आपको मैं पूरी चीज़ें दिखाऊंगी LV का स्टोर कैसा है बैंकॉक में, एंड वहाँ पे फ्री गुडीज़ भी मिलती हैं LV की. वील गो देयर, वील चेक द स्टोर आउट एंड उसके बाद आज का पूरा दिन मैं आपको शो करूँगी थोड़े थोड़े ग्लिम्सेस में कि हमने क्या क्या किया. एंड it's a bright sunny day in Bangkok today, so stay with me. So guys, we are here at the Louis Vuitton's visionary journey. It was so beautifully, crafted. I can't even tell you. यहाँ पे different themes थे अलग अलग rooms के हिसाब से, and we went to different rooms where the iconic pieces were displayed with description also, how and when LV was found. The best craftsmanship was displayed out there, different themes, different rooms, and it was just iconic guys. आप देख सकते हो ये white room तो the best था. It caught my eye on the very first look. Can you see how the LV bags are displayed? And this was the colorful theme room where you can get the goodies. आपको एक पैम्पलेट मिलता है एंड उसमें आपको फिल करनी होती है डिटेल्स, एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट टैप एंड यूल गेट सम ऑफ द अदर गुडी. एंड गाइज, वन इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फो, यू नीड टू रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट बिफोर कमिंग टू सी द विजनरी शो. So guys, we went to Wat Pho and Wat Arun. So these are very famous temples in Bangkok. Just look at the view guys. It's so beautiful. It is also known as the reclining Buddha temple, and the view was so good. The skies were all clear, but बारिश होने वाली थी. उसके पहले हमने पूरी सिटी एक्सप्लोर कर ली एंड वी शॉप्ड अ लिटिल. वी हैड कोकोनट वाटर विच इज़ वेरी फेमस इन बैंकॉक. मैं आपको बाहर से व्लॉग करके दिखा रही हूँ अबाउट द टेम्पल. एंड आफ्टर दिस वी वेंट टू नोबू बैंकॉक विच इज़ ऑन द 64th फ्लोर. And this is how surreal the view is. As you can see, I was just mind blown by the view. पूरी बैंकॉक की skyline दिख रही थी guys. And Nobu was on my wish list. So guys, after enjoying the sunset and the view, we ordered avocado sushi and some good desserts to have at the 64th floor at Nobu Bangkok, and we really enjoyed. Hi guys, welcome back. So after spending few days in Bangkok, we are finally heading towards Bali. It is one of my dream destinations because I was planning for Bali since really long. So मैंने सोचा क्यों ना जाएं and explore करें a new country. And I love beaches as well. I'm very excited. We are just heading towards the airport as you guys can see. मैं सब कुछ vlog करने का try करूँगी जितना maximum मेरे से हो पाएगा. But काफ़ी टाइम बाद में vlogging कर रही हूँ, so I don't know how it will be. But still I try my best. So stay tuned. To make the trip better, we had the accessibility to the airport lounge. So we went to the airport lounge and there were so many options. But guys, I was so disappointed at the Bangkok airport because most of the options were non-veg and I am a pure vegetarian. So pure vegetarians के लिए इतने कम options थे. आप देख सकते हो मैंने सब कुछ मैक्सिमम व्लॉग करा वहाँ पे जो भी फूड आइटम्स अवेलेबल थे. बट मेरे लिए सिर्फ ब्रेड बटर, ब्रेड जैम, फ्रूट्स ही अवेलेबल थे. नॉन वेजिटेरियंस के लिए इतने ऑप्शंस एंड वेजिटेरियंस के लिए बिल्कुल भी ऑप्शंस नहीं थे. इट वॉज डिसअपॉइंटिंग बट कोई बात नहीं. After 4.5 hours, we finally landed in Bali, my favorite destination. So here we are guys at the Bali airport. We were waiting for our luggage to come. Till then, I'll show you the airport was so crowded guys. इतना ज़्यादा crowd था. From all over the world, people came to Bali to spend their vacations. And look at this. We all were waiting for our luggages. So this is the next morning in Bali guys. हमारे होटल के बगल में ही एक छोटी सी मार्केट लगी थी. सो वी वेंट टू दैट मार्केट एंड देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. टॉप्स मिल रहे थे, टी शर्ट्स वर देयर, ज्वेलरी ऑप्शंस वर देयर, पर्सेस. सो बहुत सारी अच्छी चीज़ें हमने वहाँ पे देखी. थोड़ा बहुत शॉपिंग भी की. उसके बाद स्ट्रेट अवे वी हेडेड टूवर्ड्स द बीच. वी वर सो लकी टू जस्ट वॉक टूवर्ड्स द बीच because हमारे होटल के बहुत पास था. एंड जस्ट लुक एट द वेदर गाइज. आई हैवंट एडिटेड एनीथिंग. इट्स जस्ट द रॉ फुटेज विच आई हैव कैप्चर्ड इन माई फोन. Perfect weather to have a walk at the beach. It was so good. So guys, it's the next day in Bali and we are here at the Luna Beach Club. So it's a very famous club in Bali, so we had to come here and it took us around 2 hours to reach to this place, this beautiful serene place. So guys, I haven't edited, no color correction, nothing. It's just the raw footage which I'm showing you ताकि आपको आइडिया लग जाए कि जब आप बाली जाते हो आप ये सब फेमस प्लेसेस जाओ एंड यहाँ की ब्यूटी, यहाँ के एक्सपीरियंसेस लो. There was an underground cave club where you can party all night and this is the cave club. गुफा के अंदर में एक क्लब बना हुआ है which is so exciting. So we went down to have a look at the club कि क्लब कैसा है and यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड था. So we went straight away to the beach. तो Luna Club has their personal beach as well which is very pretty. यहाँ के sunsets आप miss नहीं कर सकते. The pictures came out so pretty, so beautiful. And we got to know that at night there's a nice sparkling fire show happening. So we got really excited for this. So guys, after having a fun night, we left towards the next destination. This is the most favorite part of my entire trip. This is the Gili Island. So we took a ferry and it took us 2 hours to reach to this island. It's a very small island in Bali. So guys, Bali में ना बहुत सारे islands हैं, Ubud, Gili. So we came to Gili Islands. It's paradise and we came for snorkeling also. मैं नहीं गई because मुझे अंडर वाटर जाने में बहुत डर लग रहा था, because 2-3 लोग गए थे and they had breathing issues and they were very scared as well. So I did not opt for it. Even though you have a trainer along with you who would just guide you and tell you the proper techniques कि कैसे अंडर वाटर डाइव करना है, and there were few points जो आपको वो लोग दिखाते हैं. He knew that we are Indians and then he started singing Bollywood songs. So guys, this is the vibe at the island. There was a foam party going on right in front of us and we were at the beach enjoying our walk. So guys, this was all about the next day in Bali. We went to Tirtha Empul Temple, a place where sacred water naturally emerges from the earth. So guys, we are in Ubud now. So it's a small island again in Bali. So we took a ferry from Gili Islands to Ubud. It took us 2 hours. हमने ferry ली Gili Island से Ubud के लिए. And Ubud में guys mostly temples and you know बहुत ज़्यादा greenery है. Clubs हैं, Kretia was there, then rice fields हमने देखी, and this is the rock bar in Bali which is very very famous. So we had to come here to experience the beauty. So all this we are experiencing in Ubud. So guys, I had the best time of my life in Bali and Bangkok. I explored 2 countries at the same time and I can't tell you how grateful I am to see this beautiful beautiful world. So if you guys liked my vlog, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.